Today we learn Chinese character Niu. Niu means all kinds of cattle, regardless of sex or age. In English, there are cow, bull, buffalo, calf, beef cattle, steer, heifer, all of which belong to the category Niu. Surprise, surprise! I'm a magic Niu. I can lay ducks. In Chinese, there are 母牛 cow, 奶牛 cow, 公牛 bull, 水牛 buffalo. The first character defines what kind of cattle it is. I would do anything to avoid being castrated. I'm a cute 牛. The horizontal stroke and the left falling stroke symbolize my two invincible horns. This horizontal stroke symbolizes my two outstanding ears. This vertical stroke symbolizes the central line of my handsome bull face. The prominent feature of Niu are its two horns and two ears. The stroke order of Niu. Niu is composed of a left falling stroke, two horizontal strokes, and a vertical stroke. The pronunciation of Niu is Niu, like Niu. Repeat, Niu, Niu. I'm an honest Niu. I'm enjoying my human-style life in New Zealand. Answer my question in Chinese. Who is the dog snuggling with? Yes, Niu, Niu. Who is the dog picking on? Yes, Niu. Repeat after me. Niu, Niu. Characters with Niu as a component most have to do with cattle and their activities. For example, mu to herd, li to plow. Dogs are herding the cattle. Some cattle with self-esteem feel humiliated. All the following phrases with Niu belong to the category Niu. After learning these characters, come back to review these phrases with Niu. Can you fight your laziness to learn Chinese? Let's begin to learn the following characters one by one. If you like my way of teaching Chinese, you can buy me a donkey sandwich in your mind. Now we learn the character mu. This is the evolution of character mu. Mu means mother. The prominent feature of mu is the mother feeding a baby with two breasts. My mother didn't breastfeed me. She said she liked me as a friend. These strokes look like mom with her arms crossed in the front. The two dots represent two breasts. The horizontal stroke represents the mother's lying body. A calf is calling her mom, moo, sounding like the pronunciation of moo. This is the stroke order of mu. Laziness is the mother of all bad habits, but ultimately she is a mother, and we should respect her. Combine mu with niu to form mu niu cow, indicating clearly it's a female cattle. I'm an invincible kung fu cow. Mu means mother, fu mu, father and mother. Mu means female, mu gou, female dog. After learning these characters, come back to review the phrases with mu. Now we learn character nu. This is the evolution of nu. Nu means female, opposite to nan, male. Try to associate the character with the most matching image in your mind. Here is another association. Nu looks like a girl dancing. I dance better than Panda. This is the stroke order of Nu. I saved the girl from being attacked last night. I controlled myself. 女 means woman. 女发言人 spokeswoman. 女 means female. 女学生 female student. 女 means girl. 女朋友 girlfriend. 女 means daughter. 独生女 only daughter. After learning these characters, come back to review the phrases with 女. A woman without a man is like a fish without a basket, and is like a person without mastering a second language. Repeat after me. 女, 女. Now we learn character 奶. Nai looks like a grandmother standing forward bend. Nai is composed of two parts, 女 and 奶. Nai means breasts, milk. My grandma nurtures my dad with milk and hard working. This is the stroke order of nai. It's so hot the cows are giving evaporated milk. Nai and niu, the two characters, combine into nai niu cow, indicating clearly it's a milk-giving cattle. Which milk should I choose? Repeat after me. Milk, 牛奶, 牛奶. Nai means milk. 豆奶, soy milk. Nai means breast. Nai means paternal grandmother. After learning these characters, come back to review the phrases with nai. Can you name 5 things that contain milk, butter and cheese, ice cream and 2 cows? Repeat after me. Milk, 牛奶, 牛奶, cow, 奶牛, 奶牛. Now we learn character 公. This is the evolution of 公. 公 means public, fair, male. Ba looks like to divide a thing in half. Gong looks like to divide the content in the wire fairly. The square represents wire. Males usually take control of the dividing. Gong means male. 公牛 bull, 公羊 ram, 公鸡 rooster. Here's another association. Gong also looks like a pair of mustache above the mouth, so Gong means male. This is the stroke order of Gong. God is fair. He gives you an ugly face. To make up for it, he gives you a slow brain. Gong and Niu, the two characters, combine into Gong Niu, bull, indicating clearly it's a male cattle. Who is the man fighting? Yes, Gong Niu. Repeat after me. Gong Niu, Gong Niu. Gong means public. The character Gong resembles dividing public property. Gong means international. Gong derives the meaning international from public. Gong means equitable, fair. Gong symbolizes to divide the content fairly. Gong means male. Male usually take control of the dividing. Gongo, male dog. After learning these characters, come back to review the phrases with Gong. Happiness is the china shop. Love is the bowl. Gong Niu. Repeat after me. Gong Niu, Gong Niu. Let's learn character 水. 水 means water. This is the evolution of 水. The stroke in the middle stands for watercourse. The strokes on both sides stand for ripples on water. 水 looks like a meandering river with water splashing in all directions. This is the stroke order of 水. The human body is roughly 70% water. I'm not fat, I'm flooded. 水 and 牛, the two characters, combine into 水牛, buffalo, indicating that a water buffalo likes water. Holy cow! Do I look like a buffalo? 水牛, repeat after me. 水牛, 水牛. 水 means water. 水滴, water drop. 水 means a liquid. 墨水, ink. After learning these characters, then review the phrases with 水. Save water. Shower with a friend. Repeat after me. 水, 水. Let's learn character 小. 小 means small. This is the evolution of 小. The three dots represent grains. Here is another association about 小. The vertical with a hook stroke looks like a small fish hook. The two strokes on both sides look like two small fish. This is the stroke order of 小. Why is the plane on the ground big and the plane in the sky small? In the sky, he wants to fly as fast as a little bird. 小 and 牛, the two characters, combine into 小牛, calf, indicating clearly it's a young cattle. I'm a calf. The color of my cowhide coat is super cool. Repeat after me. Calf, 小牛, 小牛. 小 and 母 and 牛, the three characters combine into 小母牛, heifer, indicating clearly it's a young female cattle. 小 means small, little, petty. 小男孩, small boy, little boy. 小 means young. 小弟弟, younger brother. 小儿子, the youngest son. After learning these characters, come back to learn the phrases with 小. What is smaller than a bird's mouth? Anything it eats. Small, 小, 小. Let's learn the character 肉. 肉 means meat. This is evolution of 肉. 肉 resembles a piece of meat with ribs. It means meat. 猪肉 pork. 牛肉 beef. It also refers to the soft eatable part of a plant. Flesh of a fruit. 果肉. These strokes represent the outline of the meat. These strokes resembles the meat texture. Hi, this is the stroke order of 肉. Hello, I'm a postmodern vegetarian. I eat meat, ironically. Meat, 肉, 肉. The first syllable of roast sounds like 肉. Hi, I don't like roast beef. 肉 and 牛, the two characters, combine into 肉牛, beef cattle, indicating clearly the cattle are raised for meat. Hi, please eat me. That's what I come to the earth for. 肉 means meat. 牛肉 beef. 小牛肉 veal. 肉 means flesh. 鱼肉 the flesh of meat. 肉 means pulp. 果肉 pulp. I eat meat, kindly and gently, with pure mind. Why do lions eat raw meat? They don't know how to cook. Meat, 肉, 肉. Haha, I'm a flesh-eating animal. Flesh, 肉, 肉. Look at the combination of characters. Chinese language is like a fun Lego building blocks. Combination of 3,000 commonly used characters can make all vivid and precise expressions. Every Chinese character pronounces one syllable, and every character has meanings. Isn't it amazing? It takes at least 30% less time conveying the same information by Chinese language than by English. I like brevity. Brevity is the soul of lingerie.